Here we are with the McLaren 570S, special McLaren from Macquarie Stem Cells. Now, what we wanted to go for here was a bit of a unique emergency speed, urgent delivery for stem cell research. They've got a new campaign coming out, so it's going to be pretty big. I'd like you to look them up on Google, and their website is macquariestemcells.com.au. So have a good look into what they do. Very unique stuff and very helpful. So what we have here is we've got reflective red and white to tie in with that ambulance look, the sense of emergency, the sense of speed, and on a McLaren, I mean, how could you not? Obviously it's quick enough. But we've complemented that now with the colours of medical, you know, colours of Macquarie Stem Cells at that time. I think they're steering towards something else, but it still gives off a really good coloured range anyway, working with their existing colours. So we've got on the bonnet here Australia. I mean, they're you know, they do collaborate with them somewhat. We do as well. It's a large family. They do, you know, they work with these drive days 7 times throughout the year, and then they have a big event as well. So it's always good when we get to kind of put their stuff on vehicles and tie that all in together. We all do work with each other well. So if we have a look around, we've got you know, the reflective striping, as I mentioned. We've actually double layered that, so the reflective adhesive is a little bit stronger than your normal vinyls. So what we do is we actually put a base down first and then put the reflective on top. Really important for when you go to remove the vinyl. It's not as much of a struggle, you don't have as much residue. It's a really easy effort. On the back here, I mean, this is really incredible what the guys have achieved. We've got this honeycomb pattern, and that's kind of just a repetition of stem cells and you know, having them repeat time and time again. I think that's how it works. I'm not too sure. I'm not a scientist myself. But we've got them on the back here. They're really symmetrical the way they come in. The guys have done a wonderful job with just making everything align. So it's those small little things that we take notice to, and we hope that the customer does as well. It just adds to the look of the vehicle. I'm sure that if they were out a little bit, you would pick that up. So that's super important. We've got accelerating stem cell research. We did a little bit of a curve to flow with that windscreen there. It's again those little things that you might not think is too difficult, but you've got to have the know-how, and you've got to start to measure and make allowances for those sorts of things for that to sit right. We've got, well, can't forget our little name on the doors on the underside, so that's always good that they allow us to do that. We've wrapped the mirrors, that's all vinyl. We put a stripe across that. I mean, you probably don't see it, but there's a lot of time, a lot of skill invested into this kind of work, especially on these types of vehicles. We would obviously want to make sure that we achieve a seamless finish without putting any marks or damage on the vehicle. So we use all the tools necessary. We use knifeless tape. That means that we don't cut on the vehicle. We also put PPF, protection film, on the lights. Really important when they're going on long runs, especially when it's with Bull Rush Rally. So that's going to add UV protection, stone chip protection, scratch protection. Really cool feature of the vehicle, and we do that across many vehicles, trucks, fleet vehicles. We do that across exotics and luxury vehicles. So it's just to protect the paint and to make sure that nothing does happen down the track. What else can I say? I think, look, obviously the number plate, now that complements well with what we're doing here. The cells number plate, it's killer that they were able to get those too. So it just kind of adds to the overall theme of it. You'll be seeing that on the road shortly.